Today's how-to video will be how to replace your thermostat on a 3800 Series 2 engine. The first thing you want to do is remove your cover. It's quite simple. Take your oil cap off. Oops. Just like so, and then pull your cover off and set it to the side. Now your thermostat is located here, and you got two 10mm bolts. You will want to loosen one on each side. You can go ahead and loosen them and make sure your car is completely cooled off. Best to do this after it's been sitting, and make sure there ain't no pressure on your radiator because you can get burnt, so you want to be extremely careful. And you can put a rag here, weed in to catch your antifreeze. Be careful and don't drop your bolts. Set them to the side. Now you can pick up on this, and antifreeze will run out. You want a pan underneath of it. We done got a pan underneath our vehicle to catch what antifreeze is running out, so you want to be sure to do that. Now sometimes this is stuck. You can take some pliers or a little one way, or tap it with a ratchet to get it unstuck.
That shows they're definitely bad anyway when they do that. Screwdriver time.
Screwdriver time. Screw it. Now before you price up, note the position of your thermostat. The little bleed-through hole is on this side, and most of the thermostat is facing this way. You want to make sure to put it in the same way it comes out, because some of these does just go in a certain way. Sometimes it don't matter. This is an old thermostat. It's got a groove it sets in. Make sure to get it in that groove. Just like so. Now this thermostat is different from the one we got, but it does call for the same exact one. The same part number, it's interchangeable. It's this local one from the parts store, so that one must be factory. Notice this one don't have a little hole in it. That helps if the thermostat sticks closed. It won't blow a hose off. So this one will. You install this and this one sticks, it will blow your hose off. At least you know it's stuck, right? There you go. Factory, not factory. So now you can go ahead and install Okay, next step is to tighten your two bolts up. That way you won't have no leaks. And you want to snuggle them up about the same as they was when you took them off. Don't over tighten them because you can snap the bolts. And this is aluminum. Next step is loosen your bleeder screw on the top of your thermostat housing and bleed the air out of your system. Now you can top off your radiator with the amount of fluid that you lost. If you got the bucket underneath like we do, you can about measure exactly what you lost. But taking account you do got some sitting on the block still, so add a little extra. Once you remove the cap, your bleed screw will start to bleed, and pretty much when it comes out like that, there ain't no air in it. So our system pretty much didn't get hardly any air in it. And as you can see, we didn't even have to add radiator fluid. So if you've done everything the way you're supposed to, your car should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop me a like. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to my channel. I appreciate the support. After making this video, I'm almost to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you all for watching. And thank you for enjoying all my videos. I'll see you on the next one.